Okay, I'm back. It is 8:20 p.m. and I did record my day from work. But it was 35 minutes long, as you see. This is the clip, so I have to edit it the only way that I know how, by playing it and recording me playing it and just pretty much talking through what happened. It was just this loud as it is now, but it was a little bit more loud because it was a lot more customers. I sell cars, and so it's a little bit loud here, but I'm gonna go through the day. I did end up recovering, and I ended up with $45 profit in on 3 trades, so probably around $28 at the end of the day after you take out commission. So I'm going to go ahead and start and try to condense this 35 minutes down to at least under 15 minutes to show you what happened. So I got to work right before 11 o'clock, started up my system, and this is what I saw a trade set up, so I prepared to get in it as soon as I got to work. So I'm just setting it up right now. It's like 11 o'clock. Had to add my Superdome. I'm covering my account number because I didn't have time to do that. Normally I do that, but I have to cover it over the recording because I don't want to show it. So I set up a simulated market order. Is if it hits this point, I'm gonna jump in the trade going long. Right now it's showing I'm still down to $45 from when I left my house at around 10:40 to get to work.
That video was huge.
So okay, just show the recording so I can keep the time up. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So it hit my order. It was about 11 something, and I got in the trade going for 12 ticks, which is $60. At this point I'm down $45 trying to recover. That's on the original clip. It was 1 minute and 28 seconds after I just started recording when I jumped in the trade. This right here is me recording over the timing of the clip that I'm going to actually load. But the actual video is 35 minutes long. So we're just going to watch this trade cook. This is the time at the real time. It's 11:03. I was supposed to be at work at 11 o'clock, so I got there right before 11 and jumped right in the trade. As soon as I put my system up, I saw a trade form up. So it's right up near my profit, going for the $60. I can move this out the way because I think I corrected it at that point. So it's hit me for my profit. I was down $45. I went for a $60 trade, which he gave it to me. My profit at this point is $15. This is the time of the video clip when I was recording it at 11 o'clock. Let me pause. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to pause. I'm just going to fast forward the video clip to the next trade that I took. I was trying to get in one but it never did go down there and fill me to keep moving forward down. See, just try to find that trade. Get that out the way. So when I got filled, okay, let me move back. So this is the next trade. It's 2:15, and I put in a simulated limit order through NinjaTrader. If it's not, the order hasn't been placed with my broker. It's on my computer, and its price action moves down here and touches this. The NinjaTrader will submit the order at that time. So that's what I'm waiting on. It's 2:18 right now. I'm up $15 profit on 2 trades. I'm jumping in this trade right here, going for $60. And at this time, I had a customer with me. So I have my laptop off to the side. I'm kind of continuously paying attention to it while I'm dealing with customers, hoping to jump in the trade. So I'm actually in real time. If you can hear the volume, you can hear me holding a conversation with my customer, but he is not really aware that I'm actively trading at the same time. So it's 2:19. I'm selling this guy a car at the same time, and actually he just went back to finance, now that I remember. Just waiting for this trade to enter. I told him if he bought a car that I would follow him home because he wasn't trading his car in. But I got in the trade now. And let me see how much time I got on this video clip. 7 minutes. I got 15 minutes. So this was kind of a long trade. So I'm going to fast forward through it a little bit. Let's see. Yes, it's 2:21, December 6th. I got in the trade right here. It's kind of going against me a little bit. See, what time did I get in this trade again? See, it was about 2:20 when I got in. Let me see. 2:21. Still in the trade. It's 2:22. I'm still in it.
B2 sales tower.
2:23. So at this point, it went against me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm still in the trade, waiting for it to give me my profit. I just put my lines down for my entry and my profit at this point. It's 24, so 4 minutes. 6 minutes. So be 7 minutes. Still in the trade. Just taking a long time because the market is actually moving kind of slow. Starting to move in my favor at this point. Been in it almost 10 minutes. 10 minutes is still moving in my direction. As you see, I have my $100 or 20 tick stop, my 12 tick profit, $60. I just highlight my entry. Still 10 minutes in the trade. But it is in my favor at this point. This point, this whole video clip is at 24 minutes. The one that I'm recording right now, it's at 9 minutes. I got 15 minutes. Let's see. So, what is the profit? I'm still in profit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 ticks profit. Still going for the 60. At this time, 14 minutes in, my customer started coming out, so I moved my stop to break even though it didn't touch my profit, which is when I normally move it to break even. But my customer was coming out, and I was going to have to leave with him. So I knew I had to get out of the trade. I normally would continue to let it cook. Still in it. Around 17 minutes at this point. And around this time, I believe I started, I told him that I was going to have to get out the trade. My customer was actually talking to me at this time. And he was aware that I was in a trade because I mentioned that I traded, and I showed him that I was in the middle of a trade, and I told him that I would get out of it. Let's see, so we had 20 minutes later. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks away from me. Which time we got? 10 minutes 55 seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how I got out of it. I just moved my alright, Lloyd. See you later. I just moved my profit up. I was telling my customer, you know, he had bought the car. They gave me the tags to put on. I just had to follow him to drop it off, so I had to get out of the trade. So I just moved it to $30 profit, and it ended up stopping me out for $30 more for a total of $45 profit. When I started trading this morning, my account was $1,717.40. So let me get my calculator out. Let me see what I'm at now. 1717.40 plus $45 profit minus 5.52. That's one trade, minus 5.52, which is two trades, minus 5.52. That's the third trade. So how much time we got? 12 minutes and 31 seconds. So I ended up the week 1745.84. So Monday I had $1,500 in my brokerage account. Now I have $1745.84, and I have to grow that to $3,000. My objective is to do it by the end of the month, so I'm going to have to start going for more profit soon. So that is it for today. That's it. This is me just going over everything. Let me see something.
B2 sales tower.
How much time we got? I'm going to show you what would have happened if I would have stayed in the trade.